Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Hopefully you watched my previous webinar in which I shared my Amazon interview experience as well as some tips and tricks for cracking FANG interviews. If you haven't watched it yet, please go ahead and watch it and share your thoughts in the comment section. I'd really love to know what you think about the video. Now coming back to this video, as I mentioned in my previous webinar that we have come up with the interview preparation series. So this series is going to cover the most important topics which you need to learn to crack your interviews. So right now we have come up with the coding series, and later we're also going to come up with the aptitude as well as the technical ones. So without further delay, let's dive right into it and find out what you're going to learn in this series. This series is divided into 8 major modules consisting of 6 lessons and 2 contests. I'll tell you about the contests later. Let us focus on the lessons for now. I'll be covering these concepts. So here we have recursion, backtracking, memoization, dynamic programming, and data structures. Let's start with recursion and backtracking. We'll be starting from the very basics and we're going to work our way up. So we'll not just understand how recursion and backtracking work, but we're also going to solve problems starting from the very basic ones, and we'll move on to the higher level problems such as night problems, end queen, sudoku, etc. So at the end of these 2 lessons, we'll be conducting a contest, which is most probably going to be conducted on HackerRank. This will help you understand where you stand among your competitors. Moving on to the next topics, which are memoization and dynamic programming. I'll teach you what is memoization and the gradual transition from recursion to memoization for any given problem. Similarly, I'm going to teach you what dynamic programming is and how you can easily transit to dynamic programming given that you have solved a problem using memoization. So at the end of these 2 modules, you'll feel pretty confident to directly code a problem using dynamic programming. Now, similar to our previous 2 modules, we'll have another contest to test your skills at the end of these 2 modules. Our last topic would be data structures. In this, you'll learn about the most important data structures, their respective time and space complexities, and also many important algorithms such as the sorting algorithms. So at the end of this module, you'll be able to understand how to approach a given problem and how to choose the right data structure for the problem. Next, let me tell you about the online contests. The online contests will help you not just test or hone your skills, but it'll also let you practice coding under pressure. So as of now, only 2 online contests have been planned for this series, but it might change based on your feedback. Now I'm going to tell you how the course is going to proceed. So the first 2 topics would be recursion and backtracking, followed by a contest covering these topics. The next 3 topics would be memoization and dynamic programming, followed by another contest covering these topics. The final topic would be data structures. The modules will be taught in the form of live webinars in which you can code alongside with me and ask me doubts on the go. There will be a doubt clearing session within 2 days after each contest where I'll be discussing the solutions to the problems asked in the contest. Now, here's something exciting for you guys. The top performers in the contests will have a chance to win exciting prizes and discounts. So stay tuned to find about those. As mentioned earlier, now this is just the coding series in our interview preparation series. So we will also be coming up with similar series for aptitude preparation as well as for technical preparation. So guys, stay connected with us on the social media platforms to get all the upcoming updates, especially the dates of the webinars and the contests.
So that was all, guys. I hope you're gonna find this series very helpful. Please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to follow our pages on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to get regular updates. Moreover, we also have a Telegram group where I keep sharing interview and preparation tips regularly, so don't forget to join that. The links for all of these are given in the description box below. Now, coming to the most important parts, please do subscribe to this channel and press on the bell icon to receive regular updates. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So guys, see you all very soon. Happy learning.